and I've secured an All India rank 6 in my C Intermediate May 2022 exams, and I've also scored 100 on 100 in costing.
which makes it a perfect 100.
It was consistent hard work, proper time management, and regular mock tests.
So I think that luck follows smart work. So it is a blend of both.
It begins with proper conceptual clarity. Good conceptual clarity motivates you to practice more. The more you practice, the more confidence you gain and better the marks you score.
I think that practice is most important, followed by clarity in concept, followed by confidence. Not concentrate much on theory per se, and as Rahul Jain said, that if you depend on theory, you'll go for a toss.
I focused on practical more rather than theory because I enjoy number crunching. Rahul C Academy, Hyderabad.
I had a great time and a great experience there.
Trust your faculty and consistently apply effort from the very beginning.
The fun part is also as important as your study hours, because the fun part enhances your study. So don't go in a shell, maintain a balance between both.